Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research.
Hello friends. In the current week, we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a mark of 14,867 with a massive weekly gain of 360 points, or in terms of percentage, it was a gain of 2.48%, although in a very small week, which has only 3 trading sessions. Now, talking from charts perspective or technical perspective, what we are observing is that the Nifty has formed bullish formation of higher top, higher bottom pattern specifically on weekly charts. Talking about daily charts, the market was able to close above its 50 days simple moving average, which indicates bullish short sentiment at least in the short term. Talking about the daily momentum indicator, which was able to sustain above the 50 marks, which shows positive strength in the market, at least from the near term perspective. Now, in coming time, if the broader indices is able to surpass and sustain above its current week high, which is placed at 14,883, then there is a high probability that it will move further up to the mark of 15,051 or even 15,431, which is the all-time high. Regarding immediate support, which is placed at 14,617, which is the current week low, and below that at 14,000. Talking about the upside resistance level, the upside resistance level is placed at 14,883, which is the current week high, and above that at 15,431. What could be the probable strategy for trading specifically for next week? One can buy only on sustenance above the important resistance level, which is 14,883, with a stop loss placing at 14,617. For the next week, we have identified 2 stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is Apollo Tyre Limited. One can buy at current market price of 235 with a stop loss placing at 223 for an upside target of 255. Another stock which is from the metal counter looking seems to be quite strong, SAIL Limited or Steel Authority of India. One can buy at current market price of 83 with a stop loss placing at 77 for an upside potential of 95. So that's it, friend, for the current week. Meet you on next Friday. Thanks for joining us.